Hi guys, it's me Alfie J and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, another day, another vlog, another reaction video ang ating gagawin. And ngayon guys, I'm very excited na ma-react muli ang dalawang ito na sobrang ganda ng kanilang chemistry, ng kanilang collaboration at saka yung kilig factor nila guys. So, hindi tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa guys, magre-react tayo ngayon kay JM De La Serna at kay Mariel Montoliano. At ang kakanta nila dito ay After All. Ayun, so live na live sa Showtime Online U. Ayan, sa mga nanonood na nito, sana po ay manood kayo ulit dito. Ayan, so sa mga bago dito sa aking YouTube channel, if you are new, please, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification ring para laging updated sa lahat ng mga reaction videos or vlogs na i-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started! Wow.
Let's go, madlang onliners na gusto nyo.
Let's go.
Well, here we are again.
Wow, ang ganda ng pagpasok ni JM.
I guess it must be fate.
Ang ganda.
We tried it on our own.
Woo!
But deep inside we know we'll be back to something straight.
Ang taas na pagpasok pa lang. Sarap pakinggan ng boses ni Mariel. Wow.
Every memory repeats. Every step I take retreats. Every journey always brings me back to you. And after all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts.
Ang ganda.
Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
Wow.
it all comes down to me and you.
I guess it's meant to be forever you and
Ooh.
me.
After all,
Ang sarap pakinggan ng dalawa.
When love is strong,
Wow, may pahawak pa.
this time it's true.
Kinikilig.
It lives from year to year. It changes as it goes. Oh, and all the way it grows, but never disappears.
Wow.
And after all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall.
Galing.
And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you.
Wow.
I guess it's meant to be
forever you and me.
Woo!
After all,
Taas.
always just beyond my touch.
you know I needed you so much.
Wow.
After all, what else is living for? After all the stops and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you.
Wow.
I guess it's meant to be.
Forever you and me.
And after all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts,
Galing.
two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you.
Woo!
Yes, it's meant
Wow.
to be.
Forever you and me. after all.
Wow, grabe.
Grabe naman talaga ang Jamiel. Iba naman talaga
Grabe yung
ang
performance
feels
nila.
kapag kayo dalawa.
Wow, grabe. Grabe na grabe lang talaga, 'di ba? So, iba lang yung talagang dating nila dito, guys, na sobrang sweet lang talaga. At saka ang galing ng dalawa. Alam niyo yung tawag dito, yung ang sarap pakinggan ng kanilang mga boses habang kumakanta sila, para tayong dinadala nila sa muni ng hangin, 'di ba? Sobrang galing lang talaga nilang magbigay ng hustisya ng kantang kakantahin nila, guys. So sobrang sweet lang talaga ng mga boses nila. Pwede tayong magpatugtog nito habang patulog tayo, 'di ba? Kasi nakakatulog din talaga yung boses nila na sobrang galing talaga. At saka hindi sila nag-high notes masyado dito kasi grabe lang yung control. Iba yung style and techniques nila. Para sila yung original na kumanta, 'di ba? Ang sarap lang talaga pakinggan. Sobrang solid lang talaga ng Jamiel. So, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aking reaction video kasi ako sobrang nag-enjoy ako na sobrang galing talaga ng dalawa. Yung kilig moments nila nandun pa rin, yung kilig factor nila, yung sweetness nila. Ang ganda lang, 'di ba? May pa akbay-akbay pa, may pa holding hands pa, may pa eye to eye contact pa, 'di ba? Sobrang solid lang talaga ng Jamiel. Sobrang galing din talaga, sobra. Sana po ay mabigyan pa sila ng maraming spots, bigyan pa sila ng maraming spots sa ASAP, sa Showtime, 'di ba? So congratulations po sa Jamiel. Ayun, so sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo dito sa aking reaction video dito sa Jamiel at sana po ay nabigyan ko ng magandang reaction na sobrang solid talaga ng dalawa. Hindi nakakasawa talaga yung boses nila, 'di ba? Sobrang higpit talaga ng kanilang collaboration dito, sobrang galing lang. So congratulations once again sa Jamiel. At kung bago ka dito sa aking YouTube channel, guys, welcome sa aking YouTube channel. And sana po kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification ring para laging updated sa lahat ng mga reaction videos or vlogs na i-upload ko dito sa aking YouTube channel. And guys, kung may mga request kayo, kung may mga suggestions kayo, kung may mga tawag dito, kung may mga comments kayo, please don't forget to comment down below and please click the like button, guys, kung nagustuhan yung aking reaction video for today. At maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga sumuporta sa akin, sa lahat po ng mga subscribe, sa mga nanonood sa aking mga vlog, sa mga pumupunta dito sa aking YouTube channel, lalo na po sa mga Jamiel fans. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, guys. Sana po ay patuloy nyo po akong suportahan at sana po hindi kayo magsawa, guys. And sana po magkita-kita ulit tayo dito sa aking YouTube channel at sa aking next reaction video. God bless everyone. Bye-bye!